how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to GCash. If you want to get the option to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to GCash, then you need to invite 20 friends. So how do we invite friends? From the main page of Sweatcoin, you should see this option right here. Invite a friend, get 5 Sweatcoin. So if we press on it, like so, get 5 Sweatcoin, and if we read through this, invite a companion, this will make them more active and you will get 5 Sweatcoins when they join. So here you can send a link to people on your Instagram, Messenger, so on and so forth. Now that is one way of how you can invite people. However, if you wanna, I'm just gonna go back. There's another way of how you can invite people to join you on Sweatcoin. So you wanna click on the 4th option right here where the clubs are. So it will look like this, clubs. So from here, then all we gotta do is press on friends. And if we scroll down, you will be able to see your Sweatcoin link. So you can copy it and you can send it to people. Now, if they sign up, and then if you get 20 people, you gotta refer 20 friends or people to sign up, and you will unlock Influencer Hub on Sweatcoin. And then if you go to the main page right here, after having invited 20 friends, I'm sorry that I can't showcase it, I haven't invited 20 friends, I don't have that many friends. But if you go to the main page right here, to the home page, then you should see the Influencer Hub, and if you press on it, then you will get the option to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to GCash. So that's how you do it. Give it a go. Tell me if this works for you. Tell me if it doesn't. And hopefully this video helped you with withdrawing cash from Sweatcoin to GCash. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.